Discovering directions, mastering adverbs of place. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting part of English grammar, the adverbs of place. These are words that tell us where something happens. They give more information about the action in a sentence by describing where it occurs. Let's explore this further. Firstly, we need to understand what adverbs of place are. They are words that answer the question where. Some common examples include words like here, there, near, far, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs, and more. Here are some sentences to illustrate. 1. Here is your book. The adverb, here, tells us where the book is. 2. She lives near. The adverb, near, tells us where she lives. 3. Let's go outside. The adverb, outside, tells us where we should go. The next step in our journey is to learn how to identify adverbs of place in sentences. They are typically placed after the main verb or after the object. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. I left my bag there. There is the adverb telling us where the bag was left. 2. He is studying upstairs. Upstairs is the adverb telling us where he is studying. Now that we have understood what adverbs of place are and how to identify them, it's time for us to practice. I'm going to provide some sentences, and your task is to fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs of place. 1. She left the keys ______. 2. My dog is playing ______. 3. The library is located ______ the park. We'll go over these exercises in our next video, so make sure to do them and check your answers. And that's it for today's lesson on adverbs of place. I hope you've enjoyed this journey of exploring where things can happen in English sentences. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using these adverbs effortlessly in your everyday English. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time and enjoy the process. Until next time, keep learning.